Welcome again. This is a second episode of the barn find of the GTV that I found in Kansas and brought it in. I need to decide what to do. So we'll walk through and see what's the best thing to do. I need your advice. I need to brainstorm with you. So don't forget to leave your comments. Comments. Brainstorm with me. I need to think what to do next with this car. We will go over the exterior, we will go over the interior, we will go over the engine, and then we'll have to make a decision what to do next and where to take it from here. Let's start with the exterior. I will go over the car and we'll see what's rusted, what needs to be done, what your advice are, and we'll go from there. Spoiler off, spoiler on. I ain't even decided, but I think the bumpers need to go. What do you guys think? That they put on the side, on the doors, and it was a trim all over. It's like they drill holes inside. I think it's need to be fixed. It's like really ugly. There is a lot of metal parts that are ready to use after they've been cut, so we'll have to go over it and see what is there to fix. Now we'll go over the interior, and again, all your advices and comments and things you think I should do or not do will be welcome. I personally love the brown leather, but I don't know how it's combined with the red velvet. It's not velvet, it's like cloth, but it's in pretty good shape. The dashboard and the interior, they look pretty well. I like the design a lot, and it's a little cracked, but the AC, everything is sitting so well there, and I think it should stay. I haven't seen this color in any seats before in the Alfa, so it's pretty unique to me, but it's not too bad. Don't forget to subscribe, it's really important to me. So subscribe, leave your comments, brainstorm with me. I need to think what to do next with this car. Okay, now let's look at the engine. They tried to convert it to carburetor, and they have some kind of combination you will see in a second. Again, advices. I should have the injection system that I can put back again, but I'm not sure about it. Have a look and tell me what you think. So here, when they changed the injection to carburetors, they have problem with the pressure of the fuel, and they put some I don't know, some weird gauge here, and I think this is something that need to be solved fast. Yeah, and don't forget, this is a barn find. It still have the leaves and all this dirt around that need to be cleaned. The AC is still installed here, so we need to see when we start the engine if it's working even. So now we need to make a decision. So help me to make a decision. Tell me what I should do. I should leave the carburetor, or I should do the injection again. What do you think about the body? What do you think about the styling, the wheels, everything? Tell me what you think, and let's do it. And don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe, it's really important. We need to work together. So subscribe, write your comments. I will answer everyone and we'll go from there.